The pandemic has greatly impacted the tourism industry in the Myrtle Beach area.
We've had very little tourist revenue being generated, so we essentially have gone through 2 winters.
Coastal Carolina University's Brittain Center for Resort Tourism provides insight on the local tourism industry. Since February, visits to the website, where weekly survey results are presented, has essentially doubled.
During times of crisis, these numbers, these forecasts and these results become much more important.
The city of Myrtle Beach must prepare for the number of people who will visit. There's currently much uncertainty.
And we're not quite sure how people are going to react. And so that's why we're going to be watching the data so closely in the reports that we get from CCU.
Tourism economy research is vital right now.
I think it's very important that we kind of try and figure out where we're going. How is this going to have a long-term impact, or are we starting to recover from it?
Lauren Clements is one of the CCU students who conducts the surveys.
We couldn't do it without them.
Many will go into the field of revenue management.
This gives me experience in data entry, so that helps me be more competitive when I go to enter the job field.
No one knows exactly what will happen this year.
The tourism industry, including the cities, relies on the information generated by Coastal.
There's no other area in the state that relies as heavily as we do upon tourism.
It's one more way CCU and its students serve the greater community.
I think it definitely has a great impact on Coastal Carolina being a leader in the industry.